I've got a few old frames that I don't want to put back into a hive without some cleaning. There's enough comb that it won't fit into a hive without getting at least some of it off. I'm using a heat gun. The comb is old and dark, and when it's built out it takes a little more time to soften it up. Another reason that I want to use a heat gun is to help kill bugs or possible bacteria. I found a couple of real small bugs, a couple of spiders and something else, but not a lot. The grooves also have to be cleaned out on some of them, or else the new foundation won't go in. Honestly, it's probably a lot more work than it's worth. It takes about 15 minutes to do the really bad ones, and I do about 3 a day. That's not a lot, but at that rate I'll have them done in a week. But if there's any better way to do this, I'm all for suggestions.